I Will Follow the Ship is the project presented at the Venice Biennale in 2024. It is the Malta Pavilion, and it is an immersive and interactive project which overlaps contemporary drawing, digital technology and cultural heritage.
I Will Follow the Ship, il-proġett tal-artist Malti Premju għall-Arti li rrappreżenta lil Malta fil-Biennale di Venezia tal-2024. Xogħol uniku għal Malta iżda li jirreżona ħafna ma' kulturi li għandhom rabta speċjali mal-baħar. Ix-xogħol ta' Premju ġej imnebbaħ mill-graffiti fil-ġebel ta' vapuri ex voto maħsuba biex juri gratitudni għal salvazzjoni minn destini kraħ fuq il-baħar. Dal-proġett ġie premjat il-Premju għall-Arti L-Aqwa Kisbiet Internazzjonali u llum ġejna nitkellmu dwaru mal-kuratriċi Elistonna.
Premju għall-Arti, the solo artist of the pavilion, departs from these humble vernacular drawings and transforms them to technological data sets which ultimately recontextualize these drawings into this technological sphere. Premju uses an eye tracking device to trace these humble markings on the walls, so therefore the artist's gaze is then transforming itself into this techno-symbiotic relationship between human and machine.
Il-Premju L-Aqwa Kisbiet Internazzjonali jippremja xogħol li sar minn artisti lokali illi ħadu x-xogħol tagħhom fuq il-pjattaforma internazzjonali u rrappreżentaw il-pajjiżna permezz tax-xogħol artistiku kreattiv tagħhom.
Well, what the award actually means to me, first of all, it is deeply connected to the fact that the work was never actually shown locally, but the amount of support, whether people who actually participated or helped out in the making of the pavilion, meant a lot not only for Premju and myself and the rest of the team, but also to these people who worked a lot behind the scenes. To other practitioners, perhaps one of the biggest obstacles we have locally is the fact that we think we are from a small island state and we do not compete with, or perhaps our work does not resonate with other cultures. However, this is completely untrue, and it is only when you experience something like Venice or other opportunities that you actually realize that even our local artistic ecosystem is very talented.